Hello, welcome back po sa aking channel mga katek. So may bago po tayong gagawin ngayon. Dalawa po ulit yung nagpagawa sa akin. So hindi tayo nauubusan ng content. Ito po ay yung battery niya ay madaling madrain. So ito po yung papalitan natin. Battery niya at saka yung speaker daw niya ay yung earpiece niya ay hindi gumagana. So check natin. Then isa po ay dati na pong napalitan na bit pero basag ulit. Dinadebug na naman ng bata. So yan, ito po ay iPhone 7 Plus. Ito po yung bagong screen niya, original. So tara mga katek, palitan na natin. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano magpalit, step by step. So tara, umpisa na natin. Tara, ito munang iPhone 7 Plus ang ating gagawin. So gamit tayo nito, tools natin, ito spudger, itong tweezer, itong opener na slim type. So shutdown natin, tanggalin natin yung screw dito, then alisin natin yung kanyang SIM card tray. So and next, ito po ay hindi na kailangan gamitan ng init. Then hindi na kailangan ng suction device, itong pang suction natin dahil napalitan na dati. Kasi yung glue niya po ay medyo nalubay na, yung hindi na katulad dati na bago. Kailangan pang initan, hindi na kailangan ng hot air. Yan, tool hot air, hindi na natin kailangan yan. And hindi na natin kailangan ng maraming gamit dito dahil napalitan na dati ng screen. So mas madali po ito. So alisin muna natin yung kanyang screw dito sa likod sa may USB charger niya. So yan, tanggalan natin. So konting gamit lang po talaga ang kailangan dito, hindi naman natin kailangan madaming gamit at wala naman po siyang masyadong malaking damage. Pagpapalit lang na screen ang gagawin. So yan, gamit tayo nito, steam opener yan. Tayo nyo naman po at napakadali, konting angat lang. So gamitin natin ito para hindi masyadong mabugbog yung loob. Ito yung plastic spudger. Yan, mandali lang po dahil nga napalitan na ng screen dati, kaya yung glue niya hindi na masyado makapit. So at hindi naman po siya basta matatanggal dahil may lock po yan dito sa dulo. Yan, so dahan-dahan lang po tayo at may mga flex dyan sa loob. Para sa mga baguhan po ay sundan nyo lang po ang aking video na to. So po para sa ibang mga technician ay napaka simple lang po ito, pero yun nga po, para po to sa mga beginners at sa mga bagong nag-aaral pa lang. So gamit tayo nitong star screw na to. Ang ayos natin ay itong itong connection ng battery. Tanggalin natin yung battery connector para lagi po tayong safe. Disconnect natin tong battery palagi. Lagi natin tatandaan. So nalisan natin, ilipat natin tong kanyang earpiece sa yung camera niya, yung face ID niya, then itong kanyang home button, ilipat natin to, tsaka itong fingerprint niya. So tara, ilipat na po natin ito sa bagong screen. Ito yung bago.
Put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tied up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half rich. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough.